Okay guys, so we are back to collect the finished car. Now this is not one of those situations where I went and changed shirt just to show you that some time has passed. You can see that Shahnas has had a haircut, looking very handsome. So we left the car here for a week because we really wanted to get into every little corner and clean out all the gunk and dirt and mold. When I brought the car here, brother Shahnas was of the opinion that he should have seen the car first because maybe he would have told me, please don't bring this moldy piece of junk into my detailing shop. There's another thing that I want to show Shahnas, but I'm glad I'm showing him after the fact because if he had seen this, he would have doubled down and not want to see the car. This is my first tattoo. So you can see this on camera. And you can check that out as well.
That car is stuck to you forever.
Forever. So a tattoo artist in Vietnam did this for me, and I sent him pictures. I told him there's a red line on the rim. You got to get everything perfect. His view of the situation, which was a lot more artistic and beautiful than I contemplated, is that your car took you everywhere. Now you can take your car all over the world. I was like, wow, I didn't think of it like that, but let's go with that. So having seen this, would you have done this or not?
Now I feel a little bit more appreciated for all the hard work that we put.
Totally.
Because this car is going to be stuck to you forever, bro.
It is. Shahnas, why don't you tell us some of the highlights or like challenges that you faced in this project?
One of the challenges I can share with you was the condition of the seat belt. Because the seat belt seems to be attracting mechanics who doesn't care about grease. You know, okay. It's like you went to mechanics that it's beige. Let's make it black. You know?
Okay.
So we soaked it overnight. I should have taken a photo of the water, bro.
The color of the water.
The color of the water. For me, it was exciting because I think I've got a bunch of boys. They're like CSI, you know. They are so engrossed in, okay, what can I do? What can I put there in such a way that the stain comes out?
Right.
So there was a lot of learning for them too, as they were doing your car, you know?
Got it. Yeah.
So I'm also trying to look at the bright side of the torture that you gave me for the last 4 days.
This is the silver lining for potentially putting in more work onto the car than the car is worth. Car people like me and you, we can't put a price on the cars that mean something to us, right?
Absolutely. First day was to do one layer to see how much we can take out.
Yep.
And then second day was to do another round to see how much more we can take out.
Right.
And on the third day, after the third layer, they seem to be like, you know what? I think we can go a little bit more. I think we can go a little bit more and get it to really come out as natural as the color, original color as possible.
Right. Yeah.
So they did another round.
Right.
So looking at the results, I think, yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, essentially, you know, it became, the momentum started rolling where, look, we can see the difference between round 1 and round 2, but there's still more that can be done.
Yes.
I suppose the biggest lesson here for everybody watching is don't let it get to this condition before you bring it to Shahnas.
Yeah.
You know, even a yearly clean would have spared us a lot of that.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. Yeah. If you were to maintain it once a year, you spend less. So our interior detailing packages depends on the size of the car. It starts at 500 ringgit, it goes all the way to 900 ringgit. And also that price includes deep cleaning the seats. So some owners of cars, it's just the carpet that requires a lot of cleaning, but the seats don't. And of course the price is going to be reduced because the amount of work is not going to be as much.
I haven't really taken a look at the car. The car has been hidden out of my view. Subhash and Autophiles and Shahnas wants me to have a proper view of the car and get my reaction to it. Are we just going to do this continuously?
We can cut it here.
Okay. Okay.
You for the dirty and clean. When you're waking in your dreams, make me bite my tongue and make me scream. See, I got everything that you need. Ain't nobody gonna do it like me. We are burning at a high degree.
So any closing remarks about the car?
Closing remarks. So far we are satisfied with the works that we've done. From how it came to how's the result now.
The thing is, this is not a radically modified car. This is a car that has been cleaned, which is the bare minimum that you should be doing for your car, keeping it clean. Okay, that's the exterior, of which there's a layer of dust which has been banished far, far away. So let's look inside. My goodness! I have not seen any of this in years. Look at the wheel. Look at the dashboard.
It is clean.
It's crazy. Look at these doors, man. I can touch this without feeling like I'm gonna die. Look at that. Let's see the back. Oh, gempak lah. People can sit in the car now without contracting a deadly disease. This is a great start. Thank you so much. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult is this car?
Exceeding 10.
Exceeding 10. If I bring my car back again, will you clean my car? You tell me get lost. Yes. Flip a coin, huh? Okay, okay. Okay, the car is clean. Look at these floor mats. Look at that. They've been used, clearly. I think this is the driver's side one, which is why the heel mark has been dug in here. But look at how clean these floor mats are.
Yeah, if I were you, I would try and repair this because this is the original carpet. I think I would send it to a shoe guy.
Okay.
Maybe they will know how to, flatten it, iron it, and then glue it back together.
Okay, perfect.
Because the carpet looks good, it's not torn.
One of the things I like about this guy is that he's like me. Original is best.
Yes.
Yes. Great big thanks to GA Detailing, to Shanaz and his team. Guys, thank you so much. Thanks so much, man.
No worries.
It's been an absolute pleasure going.
No worries.
Pleasure for me, perhaps not for you.
I think now it's time for you to put some really beautiful paint on this car.
All right.
And do justice to the whole look. Now your interior is almost 90% perfect.
Right.
There were some stains that we couldn't take off, but it's 90% at this point in time.
We'll call that character at this point. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Each.
Yeah. To order what you guys have done, I am going to return this to the original color. I had great big dreams of candy apple red and whatever else, but the car's original color was maroon.
Yeah.
Since the interior is completely original down to the floor mats, I'm going to bring it back to the maroon. That's going to be my plan. Yeah.
Because you're going to keep it for life anyways.
I have to.
Yeah, you have to.
I have to.
You have to.
Yeah. GA Detail, Shanaz and the team. Step 1, big step, over and out. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Boys, buy number, boys. 4 digit. You never know.
The boys haven't seen your other tattoo.
Oh, they haven't seen the other one? You ready or not? Okay, kawan-kawan, tengok.
That's unexpected.
Okay, now the next time we do the interior pull-up.
Interior. Just what they see.